Hey everyone, it's Ryder from All Things Automotive. Thanks for tuning in. Hope you're all having a wonderful day so far. Today we're going to look at a 2016 Ford Edge SEL in a gray metallic exterior. I would like to mention this vehicle has a clean CARFAX with 2 previous owners. We're going to walk around, show you some features, advantages, and benefits of this gorgeous vehicle. Starting here at the front end, the first thing that you'll take notice of is those gorgeous LED headlights. Below that, you'll also see that this comes with running fog lights. And here in the middle, you'll see that black grille insert along with this beautiful chrome trim here and that patented blue Ford logo. As we make our way to the side, you'll notice the like new tires all the way around, just like every other vehicle here at All Things Automotive. Now, a couple of things to point out before we hop in and show you guys the interior. I do just want to point out that it will have turn signal indicators on the back of your mirrors, and your mirrors will be heated, so don't worry about them getting frosty in the winter. And now, as long as you have that key in that pocket, all you got to do is put your thumb on that button right there, and it'll go ahead and lock and unlock. But let's go ahead and show you guys this interior. This is going to come with a beautiful black cloth interior. And then your dash will be a matte black dash finish. And then while we're in here, let's go ahead and open up the glove box, grab the inspection sheet out for you guys, show you guys the tire depths as well as the brakes. Now, on this specific Ford Edge, you will have 9 and 32 seconds for your tire depths all the way around. Brakes in the front will be 15 and 32 seconds, with the rear brakes being 13 and 32 seconds. In the back seat, now that beautiful black cloth interior will stay the same. And then a couple of things to point out back here as well. You will have air vents behind your driver and passenger seat, a small storage compartment, and a 12-volt plug-in there below. Then in between the seats, if you go ahead and pull this little strap down, you will have a center armrest with 2 cup holders. At the rear of this Ford Edge now, a couple of things to point out back here as well. You will have a hitch in case you need to do any towing with this Ford Edge. Then this will also come equipped with a backup camera. While we're back here, let's go ahead and open up this trunk. And as you guys can see, it'll be an automatic trunk lift. Sorry, I didn't press the button there. Which is extremely convenient in case you have anything in your hands and all you need to do is just click a button. But this says this Ford Edge is going to come with plenty of trunk space, so don't worry about hauling groceries or anything you can possibly think of. And then you guys are actually going to have some automatic options back here for putting down your seats. So if I go ahead and press this left or up top, the left seats will fold down. And if I go ahead and press that right one, there that one goes as well. Not to mention you will have a 12-volt plug-in there as well. And then not included with this is the privacy thing, the privacy protector back here. You will not get that included. And then you also have these hooks for a net back here as well that is not included as well. But then I just want to go ahead and show you guys real quick that to just put down this trunk, all you got to do is just press that button and it'll automatically go right down. Before showing you some of the interior features of the vehicle, I do just want to point out that here on your driver's side door, you will have keyless entry as well. But moving right along to show you some of the interior features of the vehicle, it will come equipped with power locks, power mirrors, power windows, and power seat adjustments. Hopping on in, let's go ahead and start this beauty up for you guys. So you'll get a nice little start up here from Ford. There it is. Now, I do just want to preference this and say that this vehicle is coming with just under 84,000 miles on it. To the left side of your steering wheel, you have the brightness to your driver display on the left and right side of the knob. And then this knob is also to control your headlight adjustments. And then you also have a trunk release there as well. The left knob behind your steering wheel will be your high beams, low beams, and your turn signals. The right side will be your front and rear windshield wiper adjustments. The left side of your steering wheel, up top here, you'll have your driver option display there with your cruise control located right below that. And on the right side, you'll have your middle display options as well as your touch to talk. Coming over here into the middle, you'll have a large touchscreen display equipped with AM, FM, Sirius XM, Bluetooth ready, a navigation, and as I mentioned before, it will come with a backup camera as well. Right below that, you'll have your climate control to touch your fingertips, not to mention that these front seats are heated as well. Located here behind your shifter, if you press that button, you'll have a small storage compartment equipped with 2 USB ports down there as well. Go ahead and closing that, your beautiful shifter knob with your parking brake, 2 cup holders, And then you'll actually have a 2-level storage compartment here for your center console. Going ahead and pressing that right one, you'll see the smaller one. And then if I go ahead and press the left one, it'll open up into a larger space with a 12-volt plug in there as well. Finally, to end off the interior features of this vehicle, up top you will have a sunglass holder here. And then you will have all of your driver brightness options for your driver and passenger seats. And then not to mention, you will have the adjustment to pull your shader back, and as well as opening your sunroof. Taking a look underneath the hood, you'll find a 3.5 liter V6F DOHC 24V engine. You'll also notice that our engine bays come extremely clean and well maintained, free of any evidence of oil or exhaust leaks. For the final portion of this video, we're going to walk around and show you any imperfections you can find. Here in the front, you will have a couple of your typical stone chips, and like I said in every other video, the only way to avoid these is to keep a garage kept its entire life. As we make our way down here, the passenger side, on this rear view mirror here, you will have some slight cracking in your turn signal indicator, as well as a imperfection there as well. Whenever you're purchasing these vehicles and they do have imperfections on them, we will make it right as best as we possibly can, whether that would be to replace the entire rear view mirror or simply just credit it to your purchase. But as we make our way down here to the body, once again, no scratches, no marks, no dings, extremely clean. Making our way back here to the back side of the vehicle, you will have a couple of your typical trunk scratches here along the bottom. Making our way back down here, the driver's side, once again, no scratches, no marks, no dings. This was an extremely clean and well-maintained 2016. That's all I have for you guys today on this gorgeous 2016 Ford Edge SEL. If you have any questions, please call 717-485-4224, options 1 for sales. Go to allthingsautomotive.com or just go ahead and stop on out at 21518 Great Cove Road in McCollsburg, PA.